Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn images into a speed drawing animations using this AI tool on Canva. So first you can just open your Canva and then just head to apps, and then here you can just find on the search bar speed painting. This one, speed painter. So this is the app, Speed Painter. I'm going to show you the app detail first. So by using this Speed Painter, you can turn any images into drawing animation. So Speed Painter use AI to convert your images into engaging speed drawings with a single click. So let's open the apps and then you can just choose the file that you want. For example, in here, I'm going to use, let's use this one right here, the photo of a bike. Here you can choose the sketch duration. I'm going to go with 3 seconds. And then here you can also adjust the color filter duration. Now just tap on generate and wait until Canva generating your photo into a speed painting video. Okay, so now it's done. Here you can see the video is turned into a 6 seconds video. You can click on add to design, and after a while it will be added to your canvas in here. Let's just wait. Okay, so I'm going to make it as the background, and this is the final result. So that's how you can turn images into a speed drawing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.